question was exactly like, will the companies or the talent acquisition persons will be looking for a person with the if it ML developer means he should have multiple in-depth ML development experience GitHub profile, or if it is okay for a candidate to have 2 or 3 in-depth ML analytics and some other domain also, big data tools also. Will that be okay, or uh, yeah, expert in one particular domain, or they will be looking for
Multi-domains view.
multiple domains? What will be
Okay,
they looking?
let's see, whatever the thing, if you see, actually, if you ask me, I just say, if you are well versed in single, at least it should be in a level of advanced level.
Okay.
Okay, and if you want to make it in everything in a machine learning algorithm, every expert, yeah, I'm just, you can just confidently say, now whatever you just ask or whatever the problem statement you throw, I can just give you the relation issues, and I can solve it in a machine learning. How it just comes, exporting it in on to that part of domain. And I'm happy that you have been making it adaptable with multi-domain, yeah, good. But even though you for practice or making it your confident level, or if you see some curious would be there, so I just want to try it onto this domain, onto this domain, yeah, it's added credit, no worries. Even though if you're having multi-domain, just place it onto that. But if you're particular onto the job description related to this category, kindly just make onto that more to highlight it. Okay, so kindly just create your profile mainly onto your portfolio.
Okay.
Okay, and all the best for your success career. Okay,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you, yeah.